Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to Docentes DigitalesTV. You're now watching the most complete video series to learn English and American culture in the easiest and most enjoyable way. You don't need to worry or study hard. Just listen carefully and watch the video several times. That's all it takes to start learning naturally and having fun at the same time. Today's video is all about music, specifically the Grammy Awards, the biggest music event in the United States. It's more than just a show with famous singers and glittering outfits. It's the highest honor in American music. But how do artists win a Grammy? What makes this event so special? Let's find out together. The Grammy Awards are organized by the Recording Academy, which is made up of thousands of musicians, producers, sound engineers, and other professionals in the music industry. Every year, they come together to recognize the best music across all genres, from pop and rock to country, jazz, hip-hop, and classical. To be eligible for a Grammy, a song or album must be officially released during a specific time period and meet certain industry standards. After that, Recording Academy members vote to decide the nominees. Then, a final round of voting determines the winners, who receive the iconic gold-plated gramophone trophy. There are over 80 Grammy categories, including Album of the Year, Record of the Year, Song of the Year, Best New Artist, and many others. Each category honors different aspects of music, writing, performance, production, and more. Winning a Grammy means you're at the very top of your craft. But the Grammys aren't just about awards. They're about spectacle. The ceremony features live performances from some of the biggest names in music. Over the years, unforgettable moments have come from artists like Beyoncé, Adele, Bruno Mars, Taylor Swift, and so many more. It's a night filled with celebration, surprises, and powerful musical statements. The Grammys also reflect important cultural shifts. They've helped highlight new musical styles, raise awareness on social issues, and recognize global talent. In recent years, there has been a growing focus on diversity and inclusion, giving more space to voices from around the world. So why are the Grammy Awards such a big deal? Because they represent the heart of the music industry in the U.S. Creativity, excellence, innovation, and emotion. Whether you're a fan of pop hits, indie rock, Latin beats, or gospel choirs, the Grammys are a place where music lovers unite to celebrate the universal language of sound. Thank you so much for staying with us until the end of this video. If you enjoyed learning about the Grammy Awards, don't forget to subscribe to Docentes DigitalesTV so you won't miss the feedback video. It's a key step in mastering English and understanding American culture. Give this video a like and share it with your music-loving friends to help us grow and keep creating the best content for you. See you in the next adventure.